Earning money on the internet isn't as easy as many think. Many believe that earning money on the internet is a piece of cake. So if someone tells you that you can make money quickly on the internet without putting much effort into it, then you probably think they're lying. It is where YouTube steps in. With YouTube, you can make money quickly by watching videos. It might sound too good to be accurate, but in today's video, that is precisely what we will tell you. YouTube isn't just used to earn money through monetization. You can also make good money on YouTube just by watching several videos. You might be wondering that, okay, you've spent your time watching the video, so if something does pay you for watching videos, well then how do you get money for it? That is where the service of PayPal comes in. PayPal is a service through which you will receive your money for the videos you will be watching. I'm sure that we have got you excited now. Therefore, we will not delay things anymore, and we'll get right into how you can make money on PayPal by watching YouTube videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do, because we will bring you several videos where you will learn how to earn money in different ways. We're sure you don't want to miss out on that. Now that we've put that on the side, let us begin. Here's an overview. First, you need to head to YouTube, where you'll find different videos you'll be watching. It will be better if the video you've chosen is a live video, but apart from that, you can also select any other video to watch. The catch here is not to choose any video, but to keep watching the video for at least 30 seconds. If you watch it for more, that's great, but don't watch it for less than a minute. Our recommendation would be at least watch the video for a minute or more, and that's it. After you've watched the video for more than 30 seconds, you'll start making money. Here's how much money you can earn from watching these videos. 1 YouTube video, $3. 10 YouTube videos, $30. 50 YouTube videos, $150. This is the amount of money you'll be earning for watching these videos, and if you watch more videos, you'll make more according to the time and multiplier rules mentioned above. If you can watch 100 YouTube videos daily, you can earn $100 daily. Sounds pretty great. Also, since YouTube is available worldwide, this method is legit and scam-free. All our watchers should know this so they can watch videos and make money as soon as possible. Let's now dive into the detailed process. Earn money by watching videos. Get a device. You first need a smartphone or computer on which you can access YouTube. You can also watch videos on the phone, but since you're going to do this for several hours, we suggest you get a computer on which you can watch videos easily. Make sure to watch this video until the end because we're dropping some pretty neat tricks that will help you make a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos. Log in, sign up to YouTube account. Once you've got your hands on a device, the next thing you'll need to do is to access your browser on this device and open YouTube. From YouTube, you will log into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, don't worry because you can always make one right on the spot. Creating a Google account takes a few minutes, and this single account will help you avail all other Google services such as Drive, One, Docs, Sheets, and YouTube. Once you've logged into your account, you will see the best of YouTube in your current region on the left. Several categories will be mentioned there such as music, games, sports, news, and others. So whatever category you would like to watch, you can choose it. You will be shown the most watched videos from each category. But since we're here to make money, you must follow the next step carefully. Enter the gaming section. You will enter the gaming section where you will see millions of people watching these videos on YouTube. So many people are watching all these videos just for free. Don't make that mistake. If you're watching something you don't like, then at the very least, you can at least get paid for it. Once you're in gaming, you'll head to the Among Us category, one of the most popular games since it took off during COVID-19. Among Us videos. Once you go to the Among Us channel, you will come across several videos in the playlist. It includes live videos and games which have already been played. You can choose any video to earn money through PayPal. To turn our watch time into money, we need to head to another website known as 7r6.com. With this website, you can shorten the URLs of YouTube videos and earn money. If you're confused, don't worry. We're getting right into it. Sign up on 7r6. What you need to do now is to sign up on 7r6.com with a free account, and from this website, you will shorten different URL links of other YouTube videos. The website will then automatically help you convert and shorten the long YouTube URL link into a brand new unique one. On 7r6, you will first sign up on the website, where you'll be given a brand new membership. Once again, we're telling you that this website isn't a scam, and it is available worldwide. You can easily access it at any given time and sign up whenever you feel like it. Besides, it's completely free, so why not give it a try, right? You'll first enter your username and email, create a new password, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, after which you will click the register button. After that, you'll need to head to your email inbox where you'll be verifying this new account that you just made. Sharing the link. So how will you earn money then? You will make money when other people click on your shortened links. You can get this done by sharing your link with your friends and family and posting the link on your social media platforms. When the link is posted on these social media platforms, people will begin clicking on the link. The more times your link is clicked on, the more money you will earn. This is how people on the website get to make big bucks on it. All you need to do is pick out a fascinating YouTube video, shorten a YouTube link, share the YouTube link, and make sure the maximum number of people click on it. It doesn't sound too difficult. Cashing out. So how do you get your hands on the money? You'll do this by cashing out your earnings into your PayPal account. The most trusted window of money is undoubtedly PayPal, but you can also use other services such as WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payoneer, and others. Whichever service you find feasible, you can opt for it. Direct shortening. Once you've made an account on 7R6, you'll have the option to shorten links directly using the new shorten link option. When you click on it, you'll be able to shorten the link on the spot without being directed to another website page. Don't worry, because this page might look different than the previous method, but it is the same method. Now you'll keep repeating this process for as many videos as you like. They don't necessarily have to be Among Us videos, but if you choose a video yourself, then make sure to select a video on a trending topic. It'll get people to click on your link quicker and more times. Remember, the more YouTube video links you copy and shorten, the more money you earn. Among Us tip. One fine tip we would like to give you is to use Among Us videos as much as possible. It is due to several reasons. First, Among Us is pretty standard, and many people already know what Among Us is. Secondly, since Among Us belongs to the gaming category, it will never be outdated. People will eventually keep coming back to this game and the videos of this game. Lastly, we already mentioned how popular this game was ever since COVID-19, so the traction it picked up back then is still maintained by it. It's why we are telling you to target shortening the links of Among Us videos as much as possible, because this game will make you lots of money. Steam community. If you're part of the worldwide gaming community, then you probably heard of Steam Community. It's a forum where players come together to discuss the latest games that you're playing. So how can you utilize your shortened links over there? You can create an entirely new post on Among Us and paste your shortened link at the end of the post to make sure people click on the link. And when they click on the link, you know what will happen then. To do this, you must go to Steam and sign up on our website. A Steam account is free, and you don't need to pay anything. Once you're done, start making that post we talked about, and don't forget to enter the link at the end of the post. The more clicks you generate on your shortened link, the more money you'll make. Moot.us. Like Steam Community, you have Moot.us, another website with a huge Among Us fan base. There are thousands of people involved in a discussion on the game. Here's another place for you to work your magic. You can make videos based on Among Us and post the video on this website. While writing the description of these videos, you can add your shortened link in the description. So whoever watches your videos will also look at the description and click on the link. It is a great way to get people to click on your shortened links. Lastly, it would be best if you could make a template for all your posts, because you won't have the time to write out a new description now and then. Hence, writing a template, saving it on your PC will help you use this template on Steam Community and Moot.us. No need to write a post from scratch. Consider yourself lucky, because you're one of the few people in the gaming community who know how to make money just by watching YouTube videos. It might not be something you like doing, but as long as you're making money doing it, you might end up even liking it too. Don't stop at $150, because who knows, you can even go to make thousands of dollars if you're good at making people click on your link.